Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Skagway. See, rocks are painted. A lot of the ships painted their rocks. I wonder if Discovery Princess is up there yet. It's probably behind the train. Oh, we're walking off. Oh, as we were passing it?
I don't even remember passing it. We were on 7. Yeah, anyway.
I like how they have the wind blockers. The wind blockers. So you don't...
Oh, okay.
It's like an old town. The Red Onion Saloon. Oh wow.
It's kind of
Look at that building. Yep, that's where we're going. Today our excursion is at 1. We got here at 6:30. It's currently, I want to say like 9 something, 9:15 maybe. And our excursion is at 1. So we won't really have time on the back end to go souvenir shopping. So we're here at the Alaska Shirt Company to get our souvenirs now. Camp Skagway.
It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but
That one. From some Parmesan garlic popcorn for Tammy, and I got a vanilla cream soda from that popcorn stand back there. Mustard, $4. Second actual market. The locals have to eat. Here's something you don't see every day. Morningwood Hotel, erected 2006. They got vacancy. Yeah, that's what we're getting. It's a popular place.
small one?
No, that's the normal size.
I'm saying they come out bigger than that. They came out that Superman shoulder one.
Probably alternating because they're hot.
And it was still moving.
Well, that's a little piece,
All right,
but
I got the rest. What's up? Want some of my piece?
that's good. If you like funnel cakes or beaver tails, you'll like that. You like it?
No, it's gross. All right.
We have about an hour or so. The clouds are lifting, so you can finally see the mountains. But you could also see, it looks like these are the Disney Cruise Line lifeboats. Out testing them, basically PMCSing them, because the Disney Wonder is in port, along with the Holland America ship that has been following us this entire time, or maybe we've been following it. But yeah, so we have about an hour. Come to drop off all the souvenirs and things that we bought. Probably go hit up a bar, and then we have an excursion time. So today our excursion is Liarsville. I believe it's like a historical tour type, gold panning, and a salmon bake. And I just found out that the Quantum of the Seas is in port today too. Well, that's cool. That's Royal Caribbean. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
I got a sauce right here.
Oh yeah.
What kind of salmon is this?
Sockeye. Sockeye salmon.
Is that what runs up here? Or?
No, you won't get salmon running the Sky River. They'll run Dai. That's mostly
It was really good. I'm gonna show you guys what they have. So they have the salmon. Get the sauce. Sauce is good. I'll show you what else they have. Caesar salad, coleslaw, olives, pickles. I think this is some type of beet salad. They have beans, rice, scalloped potatoes, Parmesan chicken if you don't like seafood. They also have warm blueberry cake and corn pie. Music. And it's all you can eat. So get as much salmon as you want with the sauce. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, you're not. Let's go take teleport. You tell me, girl. What are we doing? Yeah.
That's it then, for sure.
Alright, I'm just going to the store and buying it. I'm allergic to gold. Which is like
You better take them.
yeah.
You gotta,
Gotta get the views.
you gotta spin, swirl, squirrel.
That's good. Thank you. Turns out there's a waterfall behind the cemetery. That's where we're going now. You see all the glaciers at the tops of the mountains. And you have quantum of the seas. There's lots of glaciers just at the mountain tops. It's so
You have been an incredible audience. Thank you for spending your night with me. This is my last illusion. I hope you enjoy it.